What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Masked Up Motor, where this is your boy, Daddy. So, today, I need to apologize. I need to apologize to, well, what I used to call Sgood Performance, but they actually reached out to me saying like, hey, Daddy, the way you're installing this, it's wrong. I was embarrassed. I cried on the inside. Anyways, they're pretty cool guys. I'm also butchering their names. It's actually Sgood Performance. So one word, not Sgood. So just wanted to correct that. So Sgood Performance reached out to me and they told me like, hey, didn't install it correctly. So I was like, oh, that sucks. Told me I was missing the intercooler bracket, which I found. So they were gonna send me a intercooler bracket to put it in the correct way, but I ended up finding it. So thank you, Sgood Performance, for offering to send me the correct stuff that I needed. Oh shit. When I did found my bracket. It was crusty musty. It was been sitting in a box of spare parts for the longest time ever. Decided to give it a little spray paint and now it looks shiny new. Ooh, just don't look at the other side. It's still rusty, crusty, musty. Anyways, I digress. So I just want to kind of just apologize once again to Sgood Performance and you guys for showing you the wrong way on how to install a top mount oil cooler bracket. But something cool that I found out from Sgood Performance is this is actually a guy who just makes it. So guys, like, support him. I will put another link down below. Support him. He's a really cool guy. He literally makes these like from hand. And when he told me this, I started to just like kind of look at it, and you can definitely tell like the amount of work and effort that he's making them himself. So I thought it was pretty cool, very unique. So support him. He's a cool guy, very nice. So I will put on this bracket and I will show you guys the correct way to mount this thing. So I'm just gonna roll in the car in the garage and let's get to it. All right, so here we are. I know I said I was gonna bring it into my garage, but I got lazy and I have to go to work in like 30 minutes. Oh shit, I lost a bolt. Damn it, I knew I forgot to do something. But anyways, I am going to move that bracket and that one out of the way and I will install it properly. But looks like, however, everything else was done right, I hope. I don't remember, to be honest with you. I think it's right. It should be right. Yes, it's right. All right, let's hope we don't drop any more bolts, cause I'm running low on spare parts. But also, I hope this is a 10mm. I don't hate walking back and forth. Yes. 10 mil. First try. So I'm just gonna take this bracket off, take that bolt off, flip it around, and I'm going to put the intercooler bracket back on. Now that I spray painted and made it look all nice and shiny new. And yeah, hopefully it works out. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, this looked, I really wish I could have took like a before and after picture. I didn't really think of it. Honestly, I thought it would look like poop. But I like the way it came out. You know, it did look better because I did use chrome paint and it looked better. And I was like, hey, let me put a clear coat over it, kind of protect the paint a little bit. I think the clear coat kind of made it dull. Should have just left it alone with the chrome spray paint, but you know what? Kind of matches this color in a way. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. I mean, it's gonna be down there. No one's gonna look at it. So, and I'm pretty sure it goes like so under there. All right, so I got the bolts off. I got that nut off, and I think it goes this way. Yes, that looks right. I'm gonna tighten that back into its spot and flip that bracket around. Also, since I'm out here and I have sufficient amount of light, this is disgusting. Look at all these dead bugs. Like, anybody know how to like stop this from happening? I saw a life hack where someone just put like Pam, like that cooking spray on it, and it worked for them. Not sure. Maybe we can do some life hacks and spray my car with some cooking oil and see if that works out. But if not, I guess I'm just gonna smell like a french fry. All right, guys, and there it is. She is in. Look at that. So I got that bracket in. It really hurts me on the inside that that nut right there is looking musty, crusty. Maybe I'll buy some new ones, as well as this bolt right there. I have tried putting it in, what is that thing called? Whatchamacallit? Acid? Hydrochloric acid. Yeah, so I have hydrochloric acid. I'm pretty sure I almost died, or, you know, I inhaled a lot of it. I really should invest in some sort of mask to put on because, woof, my throat was burning. Anyways, I put it in there and then it came out all nice and clean, and I came back and then it was once again rusty. Then I did it again, covered it in oil, still came out rusty. So yeah, Maybe I'll just buy some new ones, make it look all nice. But there it is, guys. It does look a lot better. It's raised up just a tad bit more, and you know, looks pretty good. So I guess in my previous video, if you're missing that bracket, I guess you could do it the other way. But yeah, guys, so do you know what time it is? It's for some B-roll. And there we have it, boys and girls, and thank you, Sgood Performance, for letting me know how much I royally messed up. But thank you again for hitting me up. Guys, I'm gonna put a link in the description down below for Sgood Performance. He's a really nice guy. He's literally doing this dolo, and you know, just support him, support small businesses, and that's all I got for you today. Tune in next week. I'm probably gonna do some cleanup life hacks. I'm gonna give them a try. I'm gonna put some Pam all over the car and see if it becomes a non-sticky surface. Maybe I have ceramic coated it. I mean, if I spray it down with water, it comes off, but like I want non-stick, like a non-stick pan. Like if you cook an egg, it comes right off. That's what I want. I want a non-stick surface on my car, so this way when a bug hits it, it comes right off. So that's what I want. But anyways, guys, have a good one. Like and subscribe. Smack that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next week.